Okay, so another questions that we have from Dominic is how to change a SIM card on an iPhone, and that's a tricky one for the users of Android phones, because they are used to situation when they can just open their phone and change it next, and there's it's usually right next to battery, and to do it on an iPhone you need some Mac Guiver skills. So this is an iPhone SE, and it's the place for with the SIM card is usually somewhere on a side, and it's this small thing. You can use everything that's very pointy, for example paper clip, so you can be a MacGyver, and you must put it into and press it very hard, and it will jump out. Okay, as you can see, and then you can pull it out, and here you've got your SIM. And you can do it on an iPhone that's turned on. It's not a problem. So there you have it. Just use your paper clip and it will plug in. You have to apply considerable pressure. It's not very light, so don't be discouraged by it. And as you can see on an iPhone 6s, it also has got this very small space that you can put your paper clip in, and it will eject the SIM card.